Hello everybody. What happened to the MOLLE panels that I had made for the four-wheel camper Project M? Okay, so we have the gear rack on. I'm gonna caulk the top just to keep any moisture from penetrating. Thing about caulk is if you don't mess with it, normally it'll stay good. You don't get all the smearing and everything in it. This is not really the caulk I would normally use, but it's all I could get my hands on. The caulk I had planned on using was Sika, S-I-K-A. It's a really good polyurethane adhesive caulk. I also received the MOLLE panels that I purchased from 811fabricationdesign.com, and they will mount on the gear track, but there is a little bit of a modification that's going to have to be done. I'm going to have to cut a little piece of that, notch a little piece of that angle out up there so it'll fit flat. And as you can see, and I ended up changing the MOLLE panels I had up here on the ROTO PAX. These are gasoline ones, but I have two little stickers on there that I'll stick on there that match the ones on here, so we'll know it's diesel fuel, because those yellow cans, they just stick out like a sore thumb. And what I did on here is I do have the locks. I just don't have them on there, because if you've had ROTO PAX, you know if you leave them on there, they will get kind of corroded. But I just basically took some 1/4-inch aluminum and mounted the ROTO PAX mount to that, and mounted the bracket to the gear track here on the Project M. So I think it'll work fine, and I didn't put the 3-gallon cans on there or the 5 gallons. I just did 2 gallons because I'll never use 4 gallons of fuel in that at any given time probably, plus that'll give me a little extra fuel if I need it for the truck here. See if I can get that back on. It's hard to do this one hand. And you just kind of keep turning that. I did have a guy that made some MOLLE panels for this Project M, but they just didn't fit right, and the holes weren't right, and even for the ROTO PAX. He's supposedly gotten a little better on that, so hopefully he'll get a new prototype out soon, and I can share that with you.